If I can learn, so you can also learn. I was also not from the higher school. I also went to a very middle school. Then if you will see the school like things, so you will not say to me that yeah, you also went this school. But now you can see me how I'm speaking, so you can also speak. So that's it, and thank you, and I hope you will like it. And whatever I'm suggesting to you, so please try to include in your life, because it will help you out, because English is very important in every field. If we want to get a good position in any post, so we should need a language thing. If we have different skills, so we can make our image in the unique way. Okay, have a pleasant morning to you, everyone. So, my name is Muskan Sharma, and I am a student of the Success Line Institute. So, first of all, I have the one question to you all, that who thinks that English is not a cakewalk for you? Do you think? Just raise your hand. Why are you looking pale? Cakewalk, it means something is not easy. Who thinks like this? You don't think the backside of the people, they don't think? Why are you looking pale? Are you confused? Okay, so first of all, I want to clear your doubt that neither I am not from the any higher school, nor I don't have much environment, neither I don't have any friend who speaks the very fluent English. So there's the one question, that how I learned English and how I changed my personality introvert to extrovert. So first of all, I want to make sure that there's a lot of the personality that who never ever gone to the very higher school, but if you will see them, you will not judge by their like their English communication, but they have made their image like this. That is why people are just giving the priority of that people. So now I want to share my experience, that how I learned. So when I was learning English, it's been 2 years that I was focusing on the English language. So it was not easy for me. It was little bit complicated for me, because when we learn something different, so it's little bit takes the time, because we are little bit beginners for that. So it cannot be possible to learn something in the 2 month 3 month. And I want to give the a suggestion to you all, that there's a lot of person who comes in the English spoken page. They just come 2 month 3 month. They just think that if we will spend 2 and 3 months, so we will learn in the 2 and 3 months. But please clear your doubt. We cannot learn English in the 2 and 3 months. You can just learn about the grammar thing. You can just clear your some doubts, like some present tense, past tense, future tense, that you can clear. But if you are thinking that I will be speak more fluent, so it cannot be possible until you will not spend your time in the languages. So when I was learning English, so first of all, that first thing that was barrier for me, learn that I was not able to speak in English. I always had the phobia to face the crowd. And also I was not able to get the people, that whatever the people used to speak, I was not able to get that what the people are saying. So for that, I never ever focus on the grammar. Somewhere or other, we will have to focus on the grammar. First of all, you just try to strong your like base. Until you will not strong your base, you cannot reach on the success. So first of all, don't focus on the grammar. Just focus present, past, future. Just three things. If you will focus, so you will clear your doubt, that what is the how to make the common sentences, how to speak in the common thing, that you can. If you will complete that task, then you just focus on the advanced English. But what people does, people just putting their efforts to learn English, that I will speak fluent, so for that I can do anything. So they just focus on their vocabulary as well, they just focus on their grammar as well. They just think I will speak very effective, so they just think about all those things. So first of all, I want to tell you that please clear your doubt first. That first of all, the like first thing is the most barrier for you, that is like how to speak. So first clear your basic, that present, past and future. If you will clear that all those things, then you just focus on the other thing. Then like connecting word, like if you have clear your basics, so just think about the connecting word. Like if I will connect some word, so it will be like more look appreciable, so then focus on that thing. And if I talk about the vocabulary, people have some issue that I am learning vocabulary, but still I am finding that I am not able to use the best vocabulary in my speaking. So for that I want to give you a suggestion. If you are just running behind to learning the vocabulary, so you are not able to learn it. First of all, whatever the thoughts are coming in your mind, just make the sentence and also try to find the new vocabulary. To learn English, there's a best way to learn English. Whatever you are doing in the whole day, just make the daily routine and just speak in the English language, because you all know that in the everyday we have the 24 hour. In the 24 hour we have the different tasks to perform. In the different tasks we have to do different thing, and if we will do the different thing, so we will get the different vocabulary. And when we will get the different vocabulary, so will our vocabulary will be strong, and our speech will be long very attractive. So for that I want to give you suggestion that every day you just make your daily routine, and in the daily routine you just add the small thing, that what you do whenever assign you task, you just mention that I woke up, then I go to washroom, then I came here. This small thing you never ever mention, so please try to mention whatever you have done in the past in the morning. So you just maintain a small thing. When you will maintain mention the small thing, it will gives you a different vocabulary, and you will your vocabulary will be look amazing, and you will feel good. Yeah, my vocabulary is fine. So this is how I learned my English language. And also I want to tell you that who's feeling shy to face the crowd, so please don't feel shy, because people have the mentality that if I will speak in front of all, so people will laugh on me. They will say that how I am speaking, they will judge me by my communication. So please don't think like this, because in the initial time it will be happen, because it is the natural thing and we have that thing, so it will happen. But please don't think like that people will make me my life laugh. It will happen, but don't give up in your life. And always remember one thing: nothing is impossible until when you don't attempt for this. When you try to attempt for this, then everything is possible.